I understand that you had a couple of questions. I saw them, and I figured it'd just be easier to jump on a one-on-one and kind of answer them all in one shot because it looks like you're trying to rock and roll over there.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Not a problem. What can I answer for you? Start wherever you need.
Okay. So I emailed him the offer, and then he's like, if this is real, I need it in contract form. And then I responded. I was like, you got it. Wait, let me go back to the emails. You got it. I'll write up a formal contract. What's the seller's full name? Thank you, Liz Springer. And then he kind of asked, he's like, are you a realtor? Or are you representing yourself? And then he asked, what terms loan are you looking for?
Gotcha. Okay. So me, if you've heard anything I've said before, always be honest. Nope, I am not a realtor. What I have are, what city is the deal in?
Chicago.
Okay, so what I have are 5 or 6 buyers. I have about 5 to 6 buyers exclusively in Chicago that only deal with me. They hire me to find these properties for them. I put them under contract for I put the property that I think that they would like under contract for 2 weeks. They do their due diligence. As soon as one of them decides that they want to pull the trigger, I will submit to you, the realtor. I'll submit to you EMD and proof of funds.
Okay.
That's how you answer pretty much any question where they're asking if you're the one that's going to buy it, or if they're asking you for something you don't have, like proof of funds.
Okay. And then on the contract, do I still put myself as the buyer or no?
Yes, you put yourself as the buyer.
Okay, perfect.
And then as far as the loan term, the answer will always be the same. The term of the loan is 30 years, but we can put a 7 to 10 year balloon on it. And that's only, I'm telling you this, that's only if the property is $350,000 or less. If it's more than that, you need like a 12 to 15 year balloon.
Okay.
And all that means is that we're going to take the monthly payment. This monthly payment that you put in the letter, and we're going to give them that monthly payment every single month on the 1st for 7 to 10 years. And whatever the balance is that we owe them, we pay them off at the end of that time. Whatever it is, lump sum, done.
Okay. Perfect. Sounds good. So then do I put that in the contract at all or no?
Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely put, so in the terms section, did you watch the video?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So where you copy and paste the terms from Deal Sniper, if you haven't had a conversation about the balloon or a term or anything like that, if they don't ask, you don't put it. But if they do ask, then yeah, that's your default. You can't go any less than 7 years on a balloon, regardless of how good the deal is.
Okay.
Okay. So if they want less than 7 years, you got to move on to another deal, because here's why: you can do it, but you're not going to be able to sell it. Investors don't like deals that have that short a balloon on it.
Okay. So for the loan terms, I say 30 years, but we can add a 7 to 10 year balloon. Is that like the answer for that?
Yes.
Okay.
And then as far as the contract is concerned, obviously, you want to clean it up a little bit, make it sound like a contract. So what you would say is seller financed portion fully amortized. That basically tells anyone who knows the terminology, it's amortized over 30 years. Or if you want to, you can really put seller finance portion amortized over. You can spell it out. It's up to you. It's really up to you. It doesn't make a damn bit of difference. But you want to say, seller financed amount amortized over 30 years with and then whatever you decide or agree on with the realtor, blank balloon, 10 year, 7 year, whatever.
Okay, perfect.
And the longer the balloon, the more enticing it is, the more attractive it is to a buyer. Just so you know.
Okay, that's good to know. Awesome. Thank you so much. That helps a lot.
Not a problem. Is that all you needed?
Yeah, that is for now, but you never know. But thank you.
Not a problem. I'll be here. Rock and roll.
Thank you. You're awesome. Have the best.
Yeah.
Bye.